Welcome back to Marble Hill Farms Virtual Open House Part 3.
So here we are, once again, Marble Hill Farms. This is MLS 19-489, and this property is listed at $3.5 million. This is a large, expansive property with a dive shop, restaurant, bar, many little casitas, a main house that we're going to look at right now, and 23 acres.
It's amazing. It's a beautiful property. There's so much that you can do here, from the resort to land expansion into maybe a residential neighborhood. There's just a lot that you can do here. But we're here at the central house, and it's over 7,000 square feet. So we're just going to take a few little glimpses. Let's start here at the garden.
So this garden area is great. I'm seeing right here we've got some sea grape trees. I'm seeing an almond tree. I'm seeing my favorite right here, the French panny.
Oh, those are beautiful.
And then there's a ton of fruit trees around as well, right?
Yes, there's lots of fruit trees. We're going to see that as well. And there's nice little private little nooks around so guests can hang out and lounge. But I don't know about you, but this flat area, I think I would love to put a pool in.
I think that would be a great addition to this property.
Absolutely. Wonderful. Well, let's take a look inside.
Wonderful. Let's go.
This area here is actually currently what they used to use as their breakfast area. So it's a really nice space. Guests can come and gather, enjoy the morning, have nice breakfast. And then inside, they've made this more like a reception area, as well as there's a big upstairs that can be used as a banquet or a conference room. But this area is really for the guests to kind of enjoy and relax and come together. Because they have a big, expansive commercial kitchen here, so you could put in a little bit of a restaurant space if you wanted.
And what do they do over here?
This used to be the retail space. Look at these jams. They're all made here on site.
So all of these fruits for these jams and jellies are wonderful. That's great.
Yeah, so let's take a peek. Again, if this was converted into an estate home, this would be your living space, and you've got some 2 bedrooms down here. But the way they use it is you've got a living area here, and they also have a little library. Maybe you play some board games, whatever you'd like to do.
Oh, this is a cute little area, and it would definitely make a fantastic bedroom.
Absolutely. And there's that other one just around the corner. But this is where the reception area is, so you can welcome your guests. And just beyond the corner over here, there's actually they use it as an office right now, but again, that could be another bedroom.
And so you're telling me that there's this same layout upstairs, but it's just an open space.
Absolutely. And there's lots of balconies and patios. It'd be great for wedding receptions, maybe your big dinner parties for the holidays, or any kind of birthdays, or even a business conference would be great.
Right, that would be a wonderful idea.
And maybe...
So let's go outside.
So as we come through here, they do have some little animals here. We've got some birds, and these are the stairs up to one of the big patio areas. We've got public bathrooms here, and turtles over there.
Oh, look, there's turtles.
And now this is where you would come in if you were a guest. You'd have this beautiful reception area.
And where are we going now, Chris?
We're going to walk through the gardens over here. That's going to have some of your fruit, as well as the manager's residence. We'll take a little peek at that from afar. If you look over here, you can see the manager's residence there.
Looks like we're disturbing somebody's siesta.
It does sound that way. But if you lots of people's siestas. So if you take a look, you've got some trees with fruit, yes.
Are these oranges?
I don't know. They might be some kind of citrus. Yeah, maybe a lime.
Very nice. And then this is a mango tree.
Ooh, everybody likes mangoes. A mango margarita for you?
Yes, please.
And then back here you do have some more of some fruits.
Lots of aloe, I see.
Oh, you always need that after a long day of sun.
Absolutely. Wow, look at the size of that mango.
Oh, wow! That would be delicious.
It's not ripe yet. We'll leave it. We'll leave it for now.
We'll wait. So again, there's the manager's residence right here.
So you're telling me that there's a place on site, if somebody wanted to manage this property, they can just move in and take care of everything?
Absolutely. Ready to go. Turnkey.
Wonderful. That makes things a lot easier.
Oh, yes. Again, they've really done a lot of infrastructure here with the road, all the electricity is in, the water is in, the sewage is in, and of course all these beautiful trails. Is that bamboo?
That is bamboo.
I love bamboo.
And I think this is another mango tree, though I don't see any mangoes on it.
Well, and as you can see, there's again lots of room for expansion, because as we go up through the hill here, if you kind of pan over, you're going to see there's lots of land. You could do some, maybe if you wanted to do lots, you could do some lots there, and everything will have a view.
Nice. Oh, look at these cute little gardens.
Look at that tree, isn't that beautiful?
This is another mango tree. This one is lush with fruit. Watch your head. So once again, all kinds of fruits, jams, jellies, and sauces are made right here with harvested fruits that are grown on the property.
So as we come up here, we're going to come into a restaurant space. Again, it's called the Crow's Nest. It's currently closed and locked up for the pandemic, but if you can use your imagination, it seats plenty of people. And I, of course, have been here when they have live music, which is really fun. So here's the bar and restaurant setup. We've got turtles over here jumping. A little turtle action.
Lots of turtle action. Oh, that one's quite big.
Oh, he's very big.
Okay, so this is a great space. There is a fully functioning industrial kitchen back there.
Yes.
There's the bar,
Yes.
and then there's all the seating area.
Absolutely, and it comes fully furnished. They have beautiful handmade wood furnishings for all of the property and all the restaurants. And should we go take a look upstairs at that view?
Let's go do that. Is the kitty cat included?
I think the kitty cat is included. But lots of outdoor space for lots of seating.
Oh wow, Chris, look at that view. This is a great view of Punta Blanca and of the property.
Yeah, rolling hills all the way around. Absolutely stunning.
And there's endless build sites for new casitas, or if you wanted to put in a yoga studio, any kind of expansion, there is lots of room to do it right here.
There is. You could really make this into your own community. Full service, all inclusive, whatever you really wanted to do, whatever your dreams are, you can make it here.
This is wonderful. So once again, we're here in Marble Hill Farms, NLS 19-489. This fantastic, over 23-acre property is listed at $3.5 million. Pretty amazing.
It is.
So it's ready for whatever your dreams can come up with.
Sounds good. Well, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.